For the pumpkin that I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to use worsted yarn, and with this one I would usually use a number 5 or a 6 millimeter hook, but today I'm going to use an 8 millimeter hook. So first make a slip knot, and then make a foundation out of 4 stitches. Join with the first stitch to make a ring, and next we are going to single crochet as many rounds as we want to grow our pumpkin. So actually you decide when you reach the size of the pumpkin that you'd like to have as home decor. So just single crochet into this ring to grow the pumpkin. Also work the tail, it will be covered in the end. We are not doing anything else, just single crocheting in the round. The bigger, the chunkier the yarn, the more impressive the pumpkin will become. When it gets bigger, you just pull up the yarn so that it is the same as the one you have on your hook. Make it a little bit loose as it starts to grow. Now as you finish it, you might just make a slip knot to end this. Cut the yarn, and you can either use the back as the front of the pumpkin, or just pop this up if you like this look better. I always go with the back. It's more polished than the actual front. And using a tapestry needle, just weave weave it through, or you can close it by going into the back of the stitch in the back loop. And then just pull the yarn to close it. Now you may like this way of the pumpkin better than this one, so you just decide which side you're going to use. I'm just going to weave the rest of the yarn through, and I'm going to show you how to make the stem. You can either hide it here, glue it. Usually I don't glue things because I don't like the way they look when glued, but if it's easier for you, just glue this part, hide it here, and then glue the button, cover it with felt to make the work more neat. I'm just going to weave this one in so it doesn't show. I doubt that anyone will look at the bottom, but we do want to have a nice job out of this one. Okay, so we have our pumpkin ready. Okay, there you go. If you think the stem is too small, then you just make it a little bit bigger. We used 4 stitches for this one. You might go with a 5, 6 or 7 to make it bigger, but I think for the pumpkin that I made, this is just right.